If you are running a business and you are still asking customers manually for reviews, you are doing it all wrong. Because while you are sending, hey, could you please leave us a review messages, the other business owners are actually using one tool that automatically collects 5-star reviews every single day. No awkward reminders, there is no copy and paste text, there is no forgetting to follow up, just pure automated reputation growth, even while they are sleeping. And the best part, you can actually set this up once and totally forget about it. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do this exactly and how this system works inside iLevel, the all-in-one CRM that completely transformed how my business collects reviews. So grab your tea, sit tight, and let's jump right into the dashboard. Hi, I'm Victoria. Welcome back to the channel. Here we talk about tools, strategies, and automation systems that help you grow your business smarter and not harder. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you already know that I use GoHighlevel for everything from lead generation to automations to client management. But one of my favorite parts of this platform is how it handles reviews, because getting consistent 5-star reviews can literally double your own business's visibility on Google, boost your trust online, and get you more clients without spending a single dollar on ads. So today I'm breaking down exactly how you can automate your review system from scratch. I'm going to show you how to trigger automatic review requests, how to filter out unhappy clients, and how to make your business look like a 5-star brand on autopilot. Are you ready? Let's go. Before we build anything, let's talk about why this is such a big deal. Did you know that 90% of customers read reviews before buying, including yourself? And Google gives more visibility to businesses with frequent high quality reviews. So if your competitor has 100 reviews and you have got only 15 reviews, guess who's going to rank higher in search? Now, most business owners mean to ask for reviews, but they forget. The job gets done, the client leaves happy, and that's it. iLevel actually fixes that by doing something brilliant. It automates the ask. It waits until a job or appointment is complete, then automatically sends a message like, hey, thanks again for choosing us. If you had a great experience, could you please leave a quick review? It really helps. It is friendly, consistent, and it works every single time. And trust me, this tiny automation can completely change your reputation game. Let's build your review request step by step. I'm currently on the Go Eye Level website, and if you are not yet on it, you can start your free trial, a 30-day free trial, by clicking on the first link in the description box below and also in the comment section. So basically, once you are signed in, you locate where the review is. So you basically locate the reputation tab. So click on it and it brings you right here. So as you can see here, you see an overview of the whole reputation dashboard. This is where you can send a review request. You can see the reviews here, reviews that people have already started sending to your business. You can see them here. You can see your widgets here. You can add or create new widgets. You can see your listings here. You can also do some settings here, like turn on the reviews AI and auto responses, and then the GBP optimization. So we will start with the GBP optimization, which is the Google Business Profile optimization, because of course your business needs to be on Google already. So if you have a Google business profile, then we start from here. This is where you integrate it in here so that you can automatically send reviews to people. So I'll just click on integrate, and as you can see here, you can integrate your Google Calendar, you can connect your Google account, you can connect your QuickBooks account, Facebook, Instagram, There are many other applications that you can also connect from here. So we sign in with Google and connect our Google business page. So basically, I'll just pick the ones that I am comfortable with. Right, so right now this is the Google business profile that I want to connect, and it's going to bring out the pages connected to my Google account, and this is it. And I'm going to click on it and actually add WhatsApp and add phone number and Instagram, I believe, and I'll just try and do that. So you can integrate WhatsApp with CRM, and you can add phone number with CRM also, but I will just confirm. It's connected now. So the next thing that you need to do is you can click on manage pages, or you can disconnect at any point. So now that your Google business page is connected, the next thing we're going to talk about, which is the main thing, is how to request for reviews. So basically, let's go back and then we go to requests. So here you can see send review request, or you can click it down here and then you search for a contact. So this is a contact that I want to send a review request to. Reach out to customers through email for more reviews. So I'm just going to enable email requests. Email review request, engage your audience with personalized touch. So we are going to be enabling review requests by clicking on this and putting it on. So now it is on. When to send email after checking, until checked in repeats, max, blah blah blah. So basically, you can choose an email template for your email requests, or you can create a new one. So these are recurring emails and these are draft emails. Let's see what's in here. Let's preview. So this is it. Default email. Would you recommend us? You can actually change this. You can change it to whatever you want it to be, and you can name it whatever you want to name it. Your testimonial, 5-star. Your experience matters to us. Hello. Contact name. Thank you for choosing, location.name. That will be the name of your business. We hope your recent experience exceeded your expectations. We'd love to hear your thoughts and appreciate a moment of your time to share your feedback. Your review not only help us improve, but also help others discover our services. Write a review. Thank you for being a valued part of our community. So if you want to change anything, you are able to change, but I'll just save this and just use it like that. And when to send email after checking, then if you click on draft email, you'll be able to see your own email template, but there's no draft email in here, so we just leave it at that. So I'm going back to reviews, and as you can see, it has automatically populated this particular business with all the reviews that has been sent in the past. Isn't this cool? So you can actually now click on send review request, pick who you want to send the email to, and choose whether you want it as an email or SMS or WhatsApp. Now SMS and WhatsApp is not functional yet because you have to put it on in settings, but for now I'll just go with the email. If you want to send the three together, that would be good, so that they get it via email, they get it via SMS, and they get it via WhatsApp. So this is what we are sending to them. I can just quickly view what is being sent. You can edit it also. And at this part where it says write a review, then you put your review link right here. So for me, I'll just put the Google Business Profile review request link here. So let's go to Google Business Profile. So this is the review link for this particular page. I'll just copy it, and that is what I'll input in here. Okay, let's save. And you can also attach more photos. So I'll just click on email and I will send. So now let's check the email of the person we have sent the review request to and see if they got it and how they will navigate it if they wanted to give us a review. Okay, so we click on it now. This is the latest one. And so this is what the person sees, and then they click on write a review and it takes them automatically to the review page where they can actually give us their 5-star review and write out whatever they want to write, add photos and videos, and then post. So click on automation, create workflow, and choose from different templates. You can also choose to start from scratch. Click the plus sign and add whatever action you want to add. I'll add a contact tag and add the tag as high priority. You can add actions before or after what you have already. Now, I'm going to add send review request. Fill the quick form. You can decide to add another action from the list of actions. Let's add a wait. Choose the time delay. Now we'll add another request review. This time the review type will be SMS. You can test workflow before publishing. And that's simply how you can actually send and request a review from your client. And you can even know when they open it and when it has been sent within your dashboard. Isn't this cool? So I hope you take advantage of these and start using GoHighlevel to automate your review requests for your business in order to gather those 5-star reviews even faster in order to help your business. If you are new to Go High Level, I have linked a 30-day free trial for you to try out. So click the link in the description box below and also in the pinned comment to get started with it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them as soon as possible. Until next time when I see you, I recommend that you watch this particular video where I talked about how you can set up your sub account for your Go Level account, and I'll see you there.